Now, based on these functions, let us go for a first exercise. This is what weighted average here. Okay, calculation of the weighted average. So, weighted average is the average of a data set. Okay, that recognizes certain numbers more important. Certain numbers are more important. So than others. Weighted averages are commonly used in statistical analysis, stock portfolios, and teacher grading systems. Okay, it is an important tool in accounting for stock fluctuations, uneven or misrepresented data, and ensuring similar data points are equal in the proportion represented. Now, for this one, I am going to take a simple example. So now in your family, your parents given you 500 rupees for purchase of fruits. Okay, for purchase of fruits. Now you need to bring certain variety of fruits here. ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್, ಯು ಟುಕ್ ಅ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್, ಯು ಟುಕ್ ಬನಾನಾ, ಯು ಟುಕ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್, ಯು ಟುಕ್ ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್, and you took mango, right? Now for 6 apple you are paying 25 rupees each. Okay, now what is the total amount? How much? It is 150. So now you are taking 12 bananas, so you are paying 50 rupees lump sum. Okay, it is 50. I am saying it is a lump sum. So now you took a 12 orange, each orange is of 12 rupees. It is 144. Okay. So now took a clustered apple, you took a 6 number of clustered apples, so each clustered apple is 30 rupees. Now you took a 12 mangoes, each mango is 25 rupees. How much? 300. Okay. Now after coming home, your parent asked, so how much you pay total, and what is the cost of each fruit? What is the cost of each fruit, or an average of each fruit? How you are going to say? ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಆವತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಸಂತಿ ಒಂದು ಹಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿತ್ತು, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅವಾಗ? ಟೋಟಲ್, that is what weighted average. Okay, that is what weighted average. So now you got a 3 problems here, 1, 2, 3. So tell me which one I can carry over Excel. Excel ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ. ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನ, 6th ಒನ್ನ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್? ಸಮ್ಮನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೀಡ್ ಲೌಡ್ಲಿ. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಎದ್ನಿಂತ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Responsible for hiring a new employee. Over 500 candidates have applied for the job. So Kiran has created a rubric to help rank candidates. The top 9 candidates are shown in the table. Calculate a weighted average for each candidate, then rank them in order from highest to lowest.
Okay. So now it's company, 500 candidates applied for the job. In that 500 candidates, he selected top 9 candidates. Again, in top 9 candidates, Kiran has to assign who is the best and who is the least. Okay. Now you got some category here. Qualification is there, working skills is there, teamwork is there, personality is there. So now considering 4 categories, so he has allotted some weightage. For qualification it is a 40%, working skills it is a 30%, teamwork it is a 20%, and personality is 10 percentage. So now based on that one, he has given some marks for every candidate. Candidate A 5435. Candidate B 5443. Candidate C 5534. Candidate D 5313. Candidate E 5534. Candidate F 4524. Now based on these data, you need to rank who is the best and who is the least or last. ಸೊ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದ, ಇವನಿಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದ, ಇವನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ, ಹೌದಾ? ನೀವು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವ ಫಸ್ಟು, ಇವ ಸೆಕೆಂಡು, ಇವ ಥರ್ಡು, ಇವ ಫೋರ್ತು, ಇವ ನೈನ್ತು, ಇವ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ವೇಟೆಡ್ average. Based on the weighted average. Okay. So now let us see. I'll go for direct calculation, so I don't copy the content. Okay. Now this weighted average is fixed for everyone. So based on weighted average, so they got some marks. Okay. So now let us find out first weighted average, total weightage. It is how much? 100. Is some rest agate nodre the total weight. It is 100. So or else if you are getting confusion, equal sign, sum function, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, in that center you click, then select the range. So what is the range? B6 to B9. Right? It is 100. Okay. Now to get the weighted average, if I gone for writing the formula, if I write the formula here, now you just observe, you got a weightage, weightage, right? Now you got some value, weightage obtained by the candidate. Okay. Now the thing is that you need to multiply this one, multiply with this one, multiply with this one. Okay. So you are going to get some value here. Okay. After adding all the multiplication, you are going to get some value. Then it is to be divided by the total weightage. Total weightage. Now what is the total weightage? Suppose after adding all these things, if you got a 54 divided by 100, right? You will get some value there. So then based on that one, you just rank it. Okay. You just rank it, right? So he may get value of 4.5, he may get 4.55, he may get 4.2, 4.7, 4.8, 5, right? So now you are getting some values here. So now based on this one, you need to go for ranking them. Further step. Okay, clear? Now what is the formula? If I write the formula, qualification into 5, agree? Qualification weightage is how much? 40. 40 into 5 plus 30 into 4 plus 20 into 3 plus 10 into 5, all divided by 100. Right? Formula clear? Similarly, if you want to get the another persons. Okay. Now what is the second person? It's 40 into 5 plus 30 into 4 plus 20 into 3 plus 10 into 4. Now 5, 4, 4. Okay, then it is what a 3. So now whole divided by again it is 100. So now you just observe here. So for every calculations, these values are fixed here. Right? Now I will go for writing the formula. Okay, so you just observe here. Now I am going to write the formula for first person. This is what equal to, I'll open bracket, use brackets here because if you don't know the Bodemus operation, so you will get a wrong answer. Plus bracket open, this into this much, close, plus bracket open, this into this one, plus last one, professionality. Okay. So now you just calculated total weightage of the candidate A. Okay. So now I will go for and divide by 100. Weightage is 100. Okay. How much you got? 4.3. Right. Now if you drag the formula, you just observe here. You got a wrong answer. Because as you are dragging the formula, so it is going to copy the alternate column values. Let us observe here. If I click over here, it is how much? 0.68. Okay. How much is the value? It is 0.68, but actually it is wrong. If you just click over here, you just observe it has multiplied with candidate A value and candidate B value. Actually it has to multiply candidate B with the weightage. What I'll do now, I'll go for fixation of the column B values here. I'll put the dollar sign. Right? Now column B is fixed using the dollar sign. Now I will drag all the values. Now you just observe here. You got a weightage. Now based on this one, you need to go for ranking. Now this candidate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got a rank? Okay. So this is about the weighted average.